How about the lend? Lend mean that we give somebody something, and we give something to somebody to be used a period of time and then return back the same. Yeah. Hello everyone. So welcome back to our lesson today, English lesson today. Welcome back to Easy English Khmer. So today we have a short lesson. We're talking about vocabulary in grammar, vocabulary. Yes. So we're talking about the difference between borrow and lend. So how to use the borrow and lend. The first one, we have to know about the borrow. So borrow is mean, to take something from somebody to be used for a period of time and return back to them. Okay, so the first one is borrow. Example, I borrow a pound from my friend. Yes, I borrow a pound from my friend. It means I don't have any money. Yeah, I don't have any money to buy something. So I say, I borrow a pound from my friend. Yeah. And the second one, can I borrow your bicycle? Can I borrow your bicycle? Mean that I don't have a bicycle right now, and I don't have a motorbike. Like, I want to go to buy something at the market, so I have to say, can I borrow your bicycle? Yeah. So when we use it, already, and we have to return back to them. Yeah. Okay. And how about the lend? Lend mean that we give somebody something, and we give something to somebody to be used a period of time and then return back the same. Yeah. Example, I lend a coat to a friend of my brother. Yeah. I lend a coat to a friend of my brothers, and I never saw it again. Mean that eat away. They don't return. He doesn't return back. Okay. And the next one, lend me your comb a minute, will you? Lend me your comb a minute, will you? Here is the polite way. It's mean would you or could you? Yeah, would you or could you? So we can use a comb a period of time. Yeah, give somebody to use a comb a period of time, and then they have to return back. Yeah. So it is here mean that the polite way. It's mean would you or could you. So here is the difference between the borrow and the lend. Yeah. So see you the next lesson. Yeah. Bye bye.